this video, I want to share a bit about my day. This morning, I woke up early, got ready and went to college. The sky was cloudy but it wasn't raining when I went to college. But after my first couple of classes, it started drizzling. But by the time I finished my fourth class and was ready to go home, it was pouring. I didn't have an umbrella, so I had to wait until the rain calmed down a bit. So when it finally stopped, I came back home. Then I freshened up and treated myself to some Jhalmuri, one of my favorite street foods. I bought it from a very well-known shop. After lunch, I sat down to study. I really need to catch up, so I started with chemistry. After that, I moved on to zoology. Took a little break to fresh my mind. Then again I was studying a novel. And that's pretty much how my day went. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.